Chapter number 4, Reproductive Health. Today, technology IVF is discussed. First of all, what is IVF? IVF means in vitro fertilization. In vitro fertilization means fertilization outside the body in almost similar condition as in this body, followed by ET means embryo transfer, is one of such methods. In this method, popularly known as test tube baby, means one of the male sperm and female means ova, two types of donor, male and female, combined with zygote form, and zygote form of embryo 8 blastomers. 8 blastomers and transfer to the fallopian tube. Fallopian tube. GIFT. GIFT means zygote intrafallopian transfer. Embryo with more than 8 blastomers means in technology for discuss IVF 8 blastomers transfer to the fallopian tube, and second technology GIFT technology, more than 8 blastomers, more than 8 blastomers transfer to the uterus. Clear? IUT means intrauterine transfer. To complete its further development, embryos and formed by in vitro fertilization, fusion of gametes within the female, and also could be used for such transfer to assist those female who cannot be conceived. Clear? In this technology, IVF means in vitro fertilization, 8 blastoma transfer to the fallopian tube, and GIFT means gamete intrafallopian transfer. Gamete intrafallopian transfer, more than 8 blastomers transfer to the uterus. And third technology GIFT. Third technology GIFT. This is a third technology. Clear? GIFT means transfer of an ovum collected from a donor into fallopian tube, means gamete intrafallopian transfer of another female who cannot be produce one but can produce suitable environment, means female cannot produce one but can produce suitable environment for fertilization and further development, is another method attempt. And ICSI means intracytoplasmic sperm injection, is another specialized procedure to form an embryo in the laboratory in which a sperm is directly injected into ovum. It is a ICSI technology, sperm directly injected into ovum. Infertility cases either due to inability of the male partner to inseminate the female, or due to very low sperm counts, the ejaculates could be corrected by the AI. AI means artificial insemination technique. In this technique, the semen is collected either from the husband or a healthy donor, is artificially introduced either into the vagina or into the uterus means IUI, intrauterine insemination of the female means IUI. Different types of technology in fertility. For example, first technology IVF means in vitro fertilization. GIFT second, zygote intrafallopian transfer. Third technology GIFT, gamete intrafallopian transfer. Fourth technology ICSI means intracytoplasmic sperm injection. And fifth technology AI, artificial insemination. And last sixth technology IUI, intrauterine insemination. Clear? 6 technology used for this India for infertility technology. Thank you, student.